Creating a healthy mixed milk recipe for toddlers is an excellent way to ensure that they receive a well-rounded and nutritious drink. This recipe incorporates a variety of wholesome ingredients that cater to the specific dietary needs of growing toddlers. Paragraph 2. Begin with a base of whole milk, as it contains essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, crucial for the development of strong bones and teeth in toddlers. Whole milk also provides healthy fats that are vital for brain development. Paragraph 3. To add natural sweetness, consider using alternatives like honey or maple syrup. These choices not only enhance the flavor but also provide additional health benefits, such as antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. Paragraph 4. Include a mix of fruits such as bananas, berries, or even mangoes to introduce various vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fruits not only contribute to the overall nutritional content but also make the drink more appealing to toddlers. Paragraph 5. For added protein and healthy fats, incorporate a small amount of nut butter, such as almond or peanut butter. This addition supports the nutritional profile of the drink and contributes to the toddler's overall growth. Paragraph 6. To introduce texture and nutritional benefits, consider adding chia seeds or ground flax seeds. These seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, promoting brain health and aiding in digestive regularity. Paragraph 7. Include Greek yogurt or a high-quality protein powder for an extra protein boost. Protein is essential for muscle development and overall growth in toddlers. Paragraph 8. For flavor enhancement without excessive sugar, experiment with cinnamon or vanilla extract. These natural flavorings not only make the milk more appealing but also offer potential health benefits. Paragraph 9. Ensure that all ingredients are well blended to achieve a smooth and palatable texture. This can be achieved using a blender or by thoroughly mixing the ingredients to eliminate any lumps. Paragraph 10. Consider the portion size suitable for your toddler's age and appetite. It's important to strike a balance between providing enough nutrition and not overwhelming them with a large serving. Paragraph 11. Serve the healthy mixed milk in a fun and attractive cup to make the experience enjoyable for your toddler. The presentation can play a significant role in encouraging healthy eating habits. Paragraph 12. Pay attention to your toddler's response and preferences. You may need to adjust the recipe slightly based on their taste and nutritional needs. Paragraph 13. This recipe not only meets the nutritional requirements of toddlers, but also serves as a foundation for establishing healthy eating habits that can benefit them throughout their lives. Paragraph 14. Regularly incorporating this healthy mixed milk into your toddler's diet can contribute to their overall well-being and growth, setting the stage for a lifetime of good nutrition.